Okay, so let's discuss this point. How does the length of the diameter of a circle relate to the length of the radius? So remember, the radius is the line segment that starts from the center of a circle to the side. And the diameter is sort of starts from the side of a circle, but it goes through the center and then goes to the next side of the circle. So think about that for a minute. If you need to, we can go back to our previous picture where we have a diameter and a chord, and then the red line is the radius. So let's compare the AC line segment to OB. And what do you notice? Take a moment to think and process this. Maybe pause the video. Hopefully you've paused the video and you have come up with an observation. And what I observe is I can see that the radius is basically half of the diameter. Notice that you could basically draw another line going from O to the side of the circle, and that would be technically a diameter. So a radius is half of a diameter. So you can go ahead and type that in there. Okay, so the diameter is twice the length of the radius, or the radius is half of the length of the diameter. Good job. Are all radii of the same circle or of congruent circles always, sometimes, or never congruent? What do you think? So if I go back to the picture, if I drew another radius, do you think that this next radius would be the same as the length of this red radius, OB? Well, if we remember what a circle is, which is a number of infinite points equidistant from a specific center point, equidistant means the same distance away from. So therefore, if I drew another radius, it would be the same length because it would be the same distance away from the center to the side. No matter where I draw the radius, it would be the same length because from the center to the side of a circle, it's equidistant all throughout. So basically, try to bring that and write down your answer here. It would always be congruent. Okay, so now let's talk about a secant. So moving on to a different topic here, we have a secant of a circle, and it's what is a secant? It's a line that intersects a circle at exactly 2 points. Very key, at exactly 2 points. So let's go ahead and draw a secant using the circle below. So we're going to go and take a screenshot, and then we're going to go to our photos and edit and mark up. All right, so let's go ahead and draw a secant. So a secant is a line. Super, super important. It's a line. Okay, remember a line is infinite on both sides. So, and it crosses the circle at 2 points. So I could draw it as so. It goes through the circle and out the other end on both ends. And it's infinite on both sides. So I can draw arrows to show that. So as you can see, it goes through the circle at 2 points. And it comes out on both ends as well. So click done, and you would be able to go ahead and upload that picture. All right.